Good evening mga mami. So, here we are again, mommy's duty. So, dahil nag-cancel po ang tutor ko, nagkaroon po ako ng maraming oras to focus sa pag-aaral ng aking bunso, si Eleo. So, as you notice, he's already writing his letters. So, A to Z po yan. Hindi naman lahat alam niya talaga. Alam niya yung letters, pero yung writing and stroke still wrong. But good thing I still have chance na maturuan siya dito sa bahay. So, ayan, bumabawi po ako at nagsulat din kami ng numbers at name niya at nag-practice din kami ng coloring kasi yan yung laging sinasabi ng teacher na kailangan practice ng coloring. So, for now, mommy, I hope everyone is doing okay. So, ito lang po for today. Bye-bye. See you po at I hope everyone is doing well. Watch po and